Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and create yourself a Google Meet link. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, first simply go ahead, access a particular Google Meet on your phone, and then once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna appear, right? What you have to do is you can tap on this new option given below, and it will show you this in create new meeting or schedule in Google Calendar, create group. You can tap on this create a new meeting on top, and now this kind of a link gonna appear, right? You can simply copy this link. Now you have just like that, you have created yourself a link. You can tap on the share and share it with your contacts and friends. You can tap on this join meeting and start a meeting right away, and then after you can share that link as well. But you can create a link just like that, and once you have copied, you can go to any of your social media platforms and paste it. Once you have created, even if you go back, you can tap on dismiss. You're gonna go back, and that particular meeting will be listed over here. You can again tap on it, and this kind of interface gonna appear. You can choose to copy it again by simply long pressing on it, and you can share it again. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.